Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Sorry, that's my wife. We are rallying a little bit up on AMC right here. I don't know how far up it's actually going to go just on momentum. I am losing today, 12.9. Still waiting. I mean, at this point, like I said, my value right now for the contracts that I'm holding is only $1,200. So at this point, there's no reason why I'm even going to sell, right? $1,200 is more than enough worth it to just kind of keep holding today, tomorrow, possibly Friday morning, right? But we are losing $12,900. I'll drop a TA in a little bit on AMC. But also there's news that, shorts aren't actually able, you're not actually, the big hedge funds and market makers aren't actually able to short anything today. So this might be a reason why AMC is rallying. I'll update on GameStop a little bit later. I'll drop a TA right now on AMC. But to be honest, like TA and fundamentals don't really matter right now because it's basically just playing off of hype and like memes and stuff, right? So just wanted to update you guys on my position. It's 12.8. I actually also did buy some riot calls that I'm holding because I did think that Bitcoin was going to go up. My riot calls, I think last time I checked, are up like 5-10%. So I'll show you guys a little bit later. But yeah, just wanted to say good morning. I did an update because I had to like rush into work today because I have a big project to finish. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll update a little bit more a little bit later.